nasaan siyang car. Where's Dexa? Whose car is this? Whose car is this, Dexa? Hi!
Hi!
Okay, bye. See you!
Vancouver siya, Vancouver.
Pa-Vancouver na daw si Dexa.
Oh, napa mag-move na ng Vancouver. Oh, Dexa.
Bye-bye! See you! Dalawang sasakyan kami going to Drumheller. Tara, tara, tara!
Your beautiful smile, your beautiful life are waiting for you to shine bright. It's never too early or late to start to rise up and shine. Your beautiful smile, your beautiful life are waiting for you to shine bright. It's never too early or late to start to rise up and shine.
The Canadian Badlands. Sa pababa na kami. Dadalhin namin ang aming visitor from BC. Nandito para makita naman nila one of the nearest tourist spot from Calgary. So it's a 1-hour drive. Drumheller it is. So ito yun. So dito yung makikita. Dalhin namin sila sa museum. So they want to see the famous Tyrrell Museum here in Drumheller. So dito muna kami sa walang kamatayang stopover here. Ayan siya, Drumheller. Eh, dito tayo may isang pang parking. Park muna tayo.
Dexa did not sleep! Okay, famous to. Drumheller, take a picture.
And after ng pictorial, sa ganito ang Drumheller. I don't know if they have like this din sa Vancouver, especially sa Surrey sila. Laki nito. Oh my God, laki. Parang first time kong dumaan dito na sa side siya. So, Tyrrell Museum tayo. Siya. Okay, see you afterward. Daan namin going to Tyrrell. Yan na, nakarating na tayo. Destination reach. Yan, so papasok to. Yan ang ating pupuntahan. Yes. Kaya ano siya.
Pasok sa pa natin.
Yeah, one of the benefit natin from our canoe, yeah, is this one. Yeah, entrance here.
Dexa, there's a baby. Hi. Yeah. Yan ang ganda nito.
Ponds for smaller prey. Higher yet swims a translucent Pacaya, noted for the stiff rock.
a garden. Go ahead, guys. Yeah, go ahead. Yeah. Wow, it's garden. Pero wala atang butterfly. Wala, it's only a garden. Dinosaur lives in the ocean?
Yeah, the
Oh, pwede din kasi tingnan mo parang turtle. So, it's Hoodoo's time. Yan, ang ganda ng aming parking. Kitang-kita mo ang napakagandang view na to. Yeah, let's go. Get si Dexa, nandun siya. Yun. Careful, Dexa! Wow. Ayun, nakaakyat sila doon. Nandun sila lahat. Yan, so ito yung view nila. Wow. Yan. So, ito yung Hoodoo's here in Alberta. Ganda ng formation here. Ito naman yung view sa kabila. Hmm. So bumalik kami dito. Ayan ang pinakamalaking dinosaur sa balat ng mundo. I think this is the second or the largest though, Dexy. Yeah. Yan, pwede ka din bumili ata ng ticket yan, aakyat ka sa taas, pero hindi na. Next time na lang kami. So we will just go here, buy some ice cream. Mag-park lang tayo dito siguro facing this one so that the kids can have photo, pictures, and everything. Yeah. Yeah, you want some less sugar, guys? Yan yung mga ice cream. Ooh, Dexa! Enjoy! waffle for me, and then I will try the raspberry cheesecake, and then I will try the double. Cheers!
Okay, we'll do that later on for us.
Nag-cheers kami. Dexa, cheers!
You take a picture in front of the big dinosaur.
Oh, we love that! Oh, there's a dinosaur in your ice cream. That's so cute. Yan, almost done na si Mama. Oh. Almost done. Okay, go inside na. Bye, dinosaur. See you again. Your Dexa, that's too costly.
What else do you want?
Not too much costly, Dexa.
Oh, Peppa Pig.
Binilhan sila. Mas malaki pa yung bag kaysa sa'yo. Oh. Oh. You say thank you, ate. Wow, that's nice. We love that. Nick, you want to join? I can take photo. Yeah. Patingin. Wow.
Oh my God, very nice.
Ano nila yung mga cousin nila? Oh, ito din kay ate daw niya, oh. Oh, namarol. Pinabili nila sa mga cousin. Seafood City! Here in Calgary! Amen. Amen. Let's eat. Yeah, here.
Wala kang chair.
Okay. Yan ka na?
Ah, dun ka po, ma'am.
Wow! It's from Toys R Us. It's from cousins from Wow! Okay. Ay! May balde pang kasama.
This one is Peppa Pig, this one is George, this one is Mama Pig, and this one is Daddy Pig.
Wow! Diyos ko. May mga Peppa Pig pa pala.
Peppa Pig. Additional for collection.
Oo, Diyos ko po.
Open it. I think you have to open it, Dexy. You open it. You have to open it.
Oh, Campravan ba yan? Or ano? Motorhome daw. Motorhome.
There is, you see the picture.
The picture. You see the picture first. Ipatalikod nyo yung picture mamaya pagkatapos ni Kuya.
Oh, there.
Oh my God, ang ganda naman.
And there are accessories.
Wow.
I see the bed.
You see a bed.
No, there's a bed.
It's like summer thing.
Eh, ipakita mo yan, yung nahawak mo, Jem. Ayan, Jem. Ayan sa likod, anak. You show them. There. Ayan. Oh. Look at that. Oh, yan. Yan, pakita nyo yan.
Where does it go?
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, lagay dito so that you can be that one.
So, ayan, Dexa, ang ikakopy mo.
Oh, this could be the pool, or you could make it as a table.
Wow.
Toilet, you could pee in it.
You can pee daw.
Is this what she likes?
Yeah,
Like a dollhouse?
Yeah.
That's right.
There's a hammock.
Vancouver?
Are you decided?
Not you.
Not sure. Oh, wow. Yakan. Iurong mo, Dexy, para mailagay niya. Yan. Wow! She knows it.
What's the name again? Hamak.
Hamak. Duyan. Doyan.
Hamak.
Di hamak.
Wow, that's nice.
What is this for?
I think it's for the chair.
There. See, that's a toilet.
Wow.
Oh, the bike steps up.
Okay.
Wow.
Wow. Good job.
Door, yeah. And you can eat. You can eat it. Oh, you also have a kitchen. George,
Good, George.
Where you gonna put the mommy
Mommy Pig's working in the kitchen.
and daddy pig?
Daddy Pig, what's Daddy Pig doing? He always goes
Up.
in the bedroom. He's sleeping?
Always.
Oh, here.
He's
Oh.
touching the toys. Okay, what's
And
Peppa
then?
doing?
And
Oh, yeah, the
Peppa.
bike.
Where's Peppa?
Peppa's biking. Oh, we're recreating photo.
Oh, yeah. Recreating the photo. Okay.
Oh, that's cute.
Wow.
George
So-
can also bike, Dexa. This is George's bike.
Wow. I-recreate niya. Okay.
But it's the best.
Good job! Yay! It's the same gift from?
My cousin from Vancouver.
Wow! Relax daw, Dexa. Relax. Minamadali mo. No need. Just stretch it.
Why are you so lazy again?
I'm so lazy again.
Oh! Sakto. Wow! Perfect. Diyos
Look, this
ko.
is This is
Ikaw na, Dexa. Nagmukha kang tao, Dexa.
Okay, go.
Go, the other one. Tansa kay Kuya Jem Jem. Other one. Wow. Dexa, the other one.
Next time you should make George ride the bike too. Next time, Peppa and George should be riding the bike.
Hold on.
I-fix ni ate.
Are we nearly there yet?
Pink.
Wow, that's so nice.
Are we nearly there yet?
Yet, not yet. Not yet.
It's time to go outside. It's time to travel.
Shoes. Say thank you again.
Thank you.
Dexa, you stand. Stand.
Oh, stand ka daw. Tingnan ni mami ko daw. Stand. Wow.
It has allowance.
Yeah.
It has allowance.
What is allowance?
Yeah. Okay, that's okay na yan.
Maganda sa slide dyan sa mukhang mag-slide dyan sa
Oh, ganda lakos. Ganda. Grabe ang shoes niya. Ito, oh.
Lapos.
Oh, Diyos ko. Pinamper siya ng mga cousins. Grabe naman. Ah. Thank you, cousins. Okay. Wow! Na-starstruck din na ka. Kay niya na. Yeah, she loved that. Ano ulit yan, Dexy? Cinamarol? Cinnamon ga ba, mami ko? Cinnamon roll. Oh, I see. Oh,
It's
that's so cute.
It's not donut.
Thank you.
Oh,
There's more kanu. Oh, Diyos.
Cinnamon roll. Ah.
Mga makeup kit. Oh. talaga lang, Dexy, kung ano-anong binili mo na. Okay, next. Yeah.
Thank you, Ate Kuya.
And then also, nice gift. Oh.
Oh!
Ah!
Cinderella set.
Cinderella set.
That's for what?
Wow! Just
So shy.
Oh, just go. Okay, just say thank you. Ah, she feel the love. Ay, naiya daw siya magpabili. Okay, thank you guys.
What is that? Necklace.
Necklace.
And earring. Ring.
Yeah, you want to try if you like.
Yeah, can you try?
So that mommy ko can see it. Yeah. These spoiled na mga
Hindi
cousin.
naman gusto. No.
Si Dexa kasi, what do you want? Peppa Pig. What else? Jollibee. Yung mga gusto niya lang is yung mga ganun.
Wow, that's cute, Dexy.
It's
So
good,
you
right?
will wear that
Birthday.
celebration.
Wow, ang ganda naman, princess.
Wow, very nice.
Oo.
Ayan nga.
Cinderella.
Yeah.
Cinderella.
Cinderella talaga siya. Say thank you again, baby. Ah. Okay. Mga view na nag-view sa kanila. Okay. Oh, sarap laro nila. Wow. Okay, breakfast time. Ayan, before sila umalis. Ayan ang pa-breakfast si Daddy. Thank you, Dad. Ayan ang pa-breakfast ng Daddy namin. Ayan. Soup. Then may rice dito na bago. Then mag-pray tayo. Yeah. Painit na lang sila kung anong gusto. Ayan yung mga menu. Ninit ko na lang yung iba dito. Pero ito ang main ni Daddy ngayon. Liam po.
Celebrated advance.
They cannot come here.
They call Hey, give them a hug now.
Come hug and say kisses. Tito. Mami ko. Hug.
Dixie, come.
Hug mo na sila, anak ko. Hug your tito.
Favorite cousin, favorite cousin.
Mga favorite cousins.
Favorite cousin.
Hi. Okay, enjoy guys your trip. Kuya Nick, Kuya Nick, Kuya Nick. Kuya Jem Jem. See you.
We're just here in Canada. It's not like we're in the Philippines.
Oh, yes, yes. Oh.
We're just there, like 10 hours away.
Oh.
She's now crying, Nick. Yeah. Okay, hug ko Adrian yan. And Kuya Nick as well.
Also, hug ko yan eh.
Kuya Jensen. Yeah, it's okay. Huwag i-epin yung nung. Nung. Take care of them. Ah.
My mommy's shoes.
What?
Is that mommy's shoes?
Yeah.
Thanks for letting us Drive safe, drive safe.
Drive safe, yeah.
You call me.
Ayan, pauwi na sila.
Pag may time kayo, balik kayo pa siya.
Yeah. Next time we will go there. Ayan ka pala. Kaya pala dito kasi dito din nag-park kayo. Tinabi niya lang. Tandaan mo yan pag dumaan tayo ticket. Bye-bye, Lexa. Ingat kayo. Take care, enjoy your trip.
Bye!
Do you want to come to your house? We could try playing those. But I don't want to watch the house.
Oh, Diyos ko. Adigi na mapakyat. Yan ang binigay ni mami ko. Kakanin. Sarap tong biko at saka ito cassava cake. Ang sarap. Yan din yung mga tuyo na binigay ni ate. Niluto na dito.